If you're looking to use gold and precious metals for portfolio diversification, you're not alone. Many investors are turning to these assets to secure their wealth. The good news is, when done right, gold and precious metals can play a vital role in building a well-balanced, resilient portfolio. But how do you actually integrate them into your strategy? Now, you might have heard a lot of conflicting opinions out there. Some say you should allocate a specific percentage of your portfolio to gold. Others suggest it's not as beneficial as bonds or stocks. The truth? Gold and precious metals offer unique advantages, especially in uncertain times. They're tangible assets that tend to hold or increase value when other investments like stocks and bonds might be struggling. For retirees, particularly those with a significant IRA or 401k, adding gold can be a smart way to hedge against inflation and market volatility. But here's the thing. Many people overlook the simplest way to integrate precious metals into their retirement strategy, through a gold IRA. Now, if you're wondering why a gold IRA is the best option for retirement, it's because it lets you hold physical gold and precious metals within your tax-advantaged retirement account, just like your standard IRA would hold stocks or bonds. If you're serious about protecting your wealth and want to learn why thousands of Americans are opening gold IRAs, click the first link in the description for a free guide that walks you through everything. This could be the difference between staying ahead of inflation or falling behind. But let's get back to the diversification piece. The biggest advantage gold offers is its ability to move independently from traditional stock markets. When stocks are plummeting due to economic uncertainty, gold is often seen as a safe haven. During periods of inflation or even a recession, precious metals like gold can act as an effective shield, preserving your wealth. But how do you use gold and precious metals effectively? The first step is understanding how much exposure you need. Experts recommend allocating around 5 to 15% of your portfolio to precious metals, depending on your financial goals and risk tolerance. If you're nearing retirement and have substantial savings, this could provide an added layer of protection for the long haul. And here's where many miss the mark. Not all gold investments are the same. While you could buy physical gold coins or bars, these come with storage and insurance costs, plus the headache of keeping them secure. This is where a gold IRA really shines. By investing in gold through an IRA, you avoid the hassle of managing physical storage, while benefiting from the same tax-deferred advantages as your traditional retirement accounts. If you're ready to see how thousands of Americans are diversifying their retirement portfolios and protecting their wealth with a gold IRA, make sure you grab that free guide by clicking the link in the description. Let's talk about alternatives to gold. While other options like stocks, bonds, or even real estate can be part of a balanced portfolio, they don't offer the same level of stability as gold. Stocks can be volatile, bonds can be impacted by interest rates, and real estate is a long-term investment with high liquidity risk. Gold, on the other hand, has historically held its value even in periods of economic turbulence. For American retirees, this is critical, especially for those with 100K or more in your IRA or 401k, or even 5M plus in savings. Gold can provide the stability you need as you transition into retirement, ensuring your wealth isn't subject to the same risks as other assets. To learn more about how you can take advantage of the benefits of gold IRAs, click the link in the description. This guide is tailored for those who want to protect their savings and make sure their wealth lasts for the long term. By diversifying with gold and precious metals in a gold IRA, you're not just protecting your wealth against inflation or market crashes, you're positioning yourself for a more secure financial future, especially when the unpredictable happens. So, if you've got over 100K in your retirement account or even 5M pluses in savings, a gold IRA might be the perfect fit to add a layer of protection and ensure your money is working for you in the best way possible. Take action today and see how simple it can be to diversify with gold and precious metals. For more details, click the link below and get started with your free guide. Don't wait for the next market dip. Secure your future now.